Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we are going to find out about the best accounting software for Shopify and answer some of your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we talk about in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. QuickBooks Online has a highly visual interface. This is an underestimated factor to consider when looking at the best accounting software for Shopify. QuickBooks Online frankly smashes the ball out of the park on this one. It's so easy to follow how your accounts are doing without having to spend precious brain energy running through numbers. Take your manufacturing to the next level by integrating QuickBooks Online with a visual and simple, but powerful all-in-one manufacturing solution from Katana. With a friendly interface that's easy to navigate, there's a good reason that QuickBooks Online is at the top of most searches when looking at Shopify accounting. But its visual attractiveness is certainly not to be taken for shallowness. The colorful pie charts and graphs will mean you can keep track of your accounts without needing an expert to decode everything. Perfect for manufacturers looking to use QuickBooks Online. But don't be fooled. The range of features it offers is far and wide. Xero supports small businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers to simplify everyday accounting needs. It is jam-packed with features and capabilities from data capture to band reconciliation to multi-currency accounting. The sheer number of features available with Xero has made it a staple amongst larger e-commerce merchants for years. With multiple apps and integration partners available, you can keep track of your accounting needs on the go and sync with other apps at the same time. For more Xero integrations, see our article on Xero integrations for scaling manufacturers. With a customizable and dynamic platform, you can tailor this powerful software to meet your needs. As a small business, it may even seem overwhelming at first, but Xero is known for having the vast set of quality articles available to support its customers if they get stuck anywhere. That's why it's considered one of the best accounting software for Shopify, especially considering it has multiple direct integrations with your online store, which will constantly keep your orders and products in sync. Manufacturing business looking to integrate Xero with your operations. Katana software integrates with Xero so you can scale and grow your business. Freshbooks, another cloud-based solution available on the web, Android, and iOS, makes a bold claim. The company estimates that businesses can save up to 192 hours per year by using its software. What features make this possible? Freshbooks has all of the main features a Shopify store owner might need, including automated bank imports, bank reconciliation to maintain accuracy, a chart of accounts, built-in tax categories, tax time reports, and unlimited expenses. FreshBooks' easy-to-understand business health reports and performance dashboards present your financial data in a way that gives an accurate, comprehensive picture of how your business is doing. If your work is project-based, you can even use FreshBooks' handy project management tools to stay on top of deliverables. Why is FreshBooks good for Shopify sellers specifically? It pulls information about the items, invoices, and payments related to your orders directly from Shopify, where you can view it along with the additional financial context FreshBooks provides. One disadvantage of this tool is that you have to pay monthly to add users besides yourself to your account. While $10 per month per user isn't expensive in itself, that cost could add up if several team members need access. Additional features and services, such as a dedicated account manager, data migration services, and payroll, are only available as add-ons or as part of the higher tier plans. NetSuite's Shopify integration offers an impressive level of functionality that makes it a great choice for enterprises. This accounting system is available as a web application and via Android and iOS devices. NetSuite allows you to sync real-time customer and order information based on custom triggers and to sync, manage, and centralize inventories, which is especially valuable for larger businesses. It provides in-depth insights into customer purchasing history and buying behavior, automates accounts payable and accounts receivable processes, and ensures domestic and global sales tax compliance via its tax engine. The integration even includes conditional mapping for data such as currencies, syncing for unlimited orders, order total exports, and more. While the setup process is relatively simple and user-friendly, NetSuite also offers free setup support via email if you need it. Making sure your account is properly integrated with Shopify from the start will prevent inaccurate orders, customer info, and inventory data.